What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over Polygon. Not a lot of news, so we're gonna jump straight into the analysis. But a little bit of news from the NFL. Tom Brady has come out of retirement just 6 weeks after announcing his retirement. So I thought that's pretty cool. Big lover of Tom Brady. Personally, I'm a Raiders fan. But he is the GOAT. But anyways, that's not what you guys are here for. Let's go over Polygon. We're sitting at $1.39. We're down about 2% on the day. We have a new pattern that's taking form. We're sitting in a market cap of 10.49 billion. 24-hour volume, 628 million. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app and you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level card that you have, $25 just for signing up through my referral. So let's get into Matic. We're on the 4-hour time frame. I was mentioning that symmetrical triangle. We have lost the level of support. So your target is all the way down at about $1.07, which is the next buy zone. But we did put in a little bit of a lower low while putting a little bit of a higher low on the RSI, just a small one, guys, nothing major, as well as the money flow. But what you really want to look at is the daily time frame. So I have noticed we have a falling wedge within our larger descending broadening wedge with an absolutely massive juicy bullish divergence. You can see here we're creating lower lows on the daily, higher lows with a falling wedge pattern, as well as on the MACD and also the money flow. So if we can come up, we may come down to test this level of support at about $1.25 bounce. If we break out, that's when we can come all the way back up to the top of this wedge, which is coming in at about $2.05. Eventually this bullish divergence will play out, in my opinion, and we'll see a large break back to the upside. And if we take our Fibonacci here from our swing low, from our summer low up to the swing high, you can see we're currently holding the 0.5 as support at about $1.34. So if we can see a bounce here, we break out of this falling wedge, I would expect $2.05. Now, if we continue to roll, the golden ratio is your key level of support coming in at $1.11. Let me drop in a little price tag. If that support is lost, you come down all the way back to where you started, which is the 63-cent low. If Matic came all the way back down to 63 cents, wow, what an incredible buying opportunity. But as of right now, beautiful bullish divergence on the daily with a bullish reversal pattern, which is this falling wedge. So if we do break out, get back above the EMAs, do expect $2.05. Let's pop over to Ethereum. Same thing with Ethereum, guys. Actually, let me pop over the daily chart for ETH as well. So we can see that falling wedge pattern with Ethereum. And we also have that bullish divergence. You can see right here, we're creating lower lows. We're creating higher lows on the RSI as well as the money flow. Actually, let me quickly open up the MACD. Hope everyone's doing well. Hope the pets are healthy. If you don't have any pets, highly recommend them. I miss my 2 cats back home. Now that I'm in Ghana, maybe I should get a lizard. There's a lot of lizards that live here. That'd be a pretty cool pet. So we aren't seeing that divergence on the MACD, but that's a-okay. We do have a small one here on the daily RSI with this falling wedge pattern. We're still in this descending channel for our friend ETH. So if we can break out, get back above the EMAs, could see a nice push up to about 3K. If this support is lost, your next strong level of support is coming in about 2358. We could easily come back down to that level and still be printing a bullish divergence on the 1-day RSI. If we look at the Ethereum short position, we did see a drop off since about February 25th, 26th, and we haven't really seen much of an increase of the short positions here, as you can see on the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the long positions for Ethereum. So we're here on the 4-hour for the long positions. We saw a major increase over the weekend. So it looks like a lot of whales and traders are looking for a move back up, as we've seen a beautiful increase over the weekend for the ETH long position. So we'll finish off the video. I would watch this bullish divergence very, very closely. And we have this falling wedge pattern. If we do come down and you see a bounce off about $1.27, could be a strong indication we're going to break out of this falling wedge and see continuation up to $2.05. Your next strong level of support that needs to hold is $1.11. If it is lost, guys, we can slowly bleed all the way back down to about 62 cents. But personally, with this bullish divergence, I don't see us coming all the way down to 62 cents without at least seeing a nice bounce first. So that's it for Matic. I think we've had 5 entries so far. Yeah, so far we've had 5 entries with our break even sitting at $1.72. Equal amounts at each buy zone brings your average price down halfway each time. You get ready for the slingshot back up. Perfect trading strategy for people who are busy, who can't look at charts for hours and hours a day like I do. You can dollar cost average with us into your trades. Sign up to the Discord. Price of a coffee, where I update buy and take profit zones regularly. We have the DCA charts for the live trades on the channel. The trading strategy is fully explained, and we also have over 1,800 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon, 350 USD. If you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, and I will see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.